Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out the items that I've found for this week for the second time, since I went through half of the items and then realized I wasn't recording, so we're doing this again. But all the items that we go over today will either be on sale, or items that at their full price I still believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All the items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. It's all there for you with their own independent link. Then I'll have two additional links that says tools and tools continued. Both of those links are going to take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past. A lot of really cool stuff on there, so go ahead and check those out. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this. The first item up is a Klein Tools set. And this is one, it's not on sale. I've went over the Klein ratcheting wrenches in the past, which I thought were pretty interesting. Nice design, a little different. I hadn't seen these from Klein Tools. I came across these just looking for deals and thought they were pretty interesting. Now, the other ones you can usually get on sale. I think they're originally $100 as well. I think sometimes you can find them around 60 or 70. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what I remember the price being. But these are at $100. This is the SAE set. They do have a metric set as well. 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 19. So you're missing 18, 16, and 11. And then the SAE set is going to be 5/16 through 3/4. It is an 8-piece set. And this kind of gave me the Vera Joker vibes. This has a slide lock on the ratcheting portion. So if you're working with a long stud and a nut, you can push this slide lock up, and it'll basically butt up against the backside of the nut so you can run the nut down without the ratchet passing over top of it, if that makes sense. You don't have to try and sit there and keep the ratchet lined up with the nut. It'll butt up against that basically lock that slides up, which I thought was pretty cool. And then you can just slide it out of the way, and then you can slide over a fastener if necessary. So I thought that was a pretty cool design, one that I hadn't seen from others before. If you guys have seen this set or other brands that have a set similar to this, please let me know down in the comments. But this kind of reminded me of the Vera Joker, where you can align it one direction and it kind of does the same thing with the 12-point design. But this is at $100, and then the metric set is as well. The SAE set is at 4.3 stars, 12 ratings, and that is a 90-tooth design as well. I like the color coding on these. It is nice. I don't know how long it'll hold up, but I do like that the size markings are kind of recessed portion, so they can't really be rubbed off, and they're bright white. So I do like that they're easy to identify. The downside being the wrenches are black, so it might be a little easier to lose in like an engine bay, things like that, dark areas. So that is the first item on today's list. Next up, we're looking at a Vim Tools product. This being their SAE and metric impact socket set in 1/4-inch drive. It's both shallow and deep. You get a universal joint with it. It's a 49-piece set. So I don't mention a whole lot of Vim tools because I feel like a lot of Vim tools are overpriced for the quality range that they fall into. But the thing that's nice about Vim is they are constantly releasing unique products that help you with very specific situations, but they still have your general tools like this. And this 1/4-inch drive impact sockets are becoming more and more popular. And this one from Vim, even though it's not on sale, I feel like this is a Vim product that is actually priced pretty well. It comes in a nice little EVA foam organizer. I think they did a good job on it, not taking up too much space. I understand EVA foam is not for everybody, but I think they did a good job on this. Like I said, both metric and SAE, shallow and deep. The SAE is going to be 3/16 through 9/16, and then the metric is going to be 4 through 15 with the 4.5 and 5.5. So really good coverage there, and you get the same size as both shallow and deep as well. And then the universal over here. The one thing I did notice, which is nice, the laser engraving is really bright, easily identifiable. The downside being most of the time the laser engraving is towards the back end of the socket. They decided to kind of go at the front end of the socket. I don't know if it's just to be different or what. I don't know. The thing I worry about is laser engraving will rub off even when they're at the base of the socket, but I feel like it's going to take longer for it to wear off when it's at the back of the socket versus here now that it's up at the nose. That's where I find a lot of wear on the socket is, or where a lot of rubbing happens at the front portion of the socket. So I do feel like the laser engraving sizes are going to wear off a little bit quicker than your standard laser engravings on a impact socket that has it at the base. But they are stamped size markings as well, and these are chromoly steel. So please let me know your guys' thoughts, your experiences with Vim Tools, as well as the price on this set. I thought it was priced pretty dang well for a Vim product and what's included. All right, then we got a product from Channellock. I love Channellock, been using them since I was a kid. This isn't a very common style of pliers, but Channellock has a lot of great pliers. I really enjoy this set. This is their flat nose duckbill jaw pliers. It does have cross hatching in the teeth. They don't have an image of it, unfortunately. They are, once again, made in the USA, and just a really good design, nice slim design. And you can actually get a really good hold or bite with these jaws, especially with the cross hatching. Your standard blue dipped handles, there you can see they are 8-inch, part number 718. I really enjoy these, and I've had them for a couple years, and these are typically at $30. They are down to $25.35. These have 4.8 stars, 833 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the GearWrench 2-piece 120XP locking flex head ratchets with comfort grip. You can get these without comfort grip as well. This is the new design, or newer design, I should say. I have both the older 120XP design and the newer. They've slimmed down the head as far as width. Nice low profile. I'm a big fan of the 120XP. I understand it's not for everybody. It's a 60-tooth main gear, dual pawls creating 120 positions and 3-degree arc swing. The locking mechanism, I really like the design of it. I will say there is a little bit of play even when it's in the locked position. You do get a little play between the teeth. Not that it's prevented me from using the ratchet. I haven't had issues with it. That's just something I like to mention. I do like the fact that you can push the button one direction and it basically fully unlocks it, so you kind of have a free floating flex head, and then you can lock it in any multiple position. I think it's 9 or 11 positions that it can lock into, and you get the 1/4-inch and 3/8 drive. They are slightly longer, and this is originally at $125. They do have a coupon that brings it down to $112.50, and then the non-comfort grip is at $94. So I think both of them are priced really well. Yeah, 11 positions that you can lock it in. This has 4.5 stars, 74 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a Tekton product. This is their Phillips screwdriver set. This is a 4-piece set, 0 through 3. And if I remember correctly, these will work with JIS. I don't know if these are JIS tips. I think they're just a modern Phillips tip, if I remember correctly. But from what I remember, they do work with JIS. They are a German-made screwdriver. Tekton no longer has their USA-made stuff. You can still find old stock places, but it is now the WITTE, W-I-T-T-E, the original manufacturer of the screwdrivers, and they have many different designs. So if you don't like this specific design, WITTE does have multiple other designs with felt padding and things like that. The Tekton one is just kind of a dual material, red and black, rubber and plastic. I do own a couple of them. I enjoy them. I am going to miss Tekton's original USA-made screwdrivers, but I figured this was a good set for those that are wanting to try it out without breaking the bank. This is at $24, down from a list price of $26, so a little bit of savings here. I used to have a Matco set that was basically identical but had the felt padding where the black portion is, and I really enjoyed them. I've always enjoyed any tools that I've owned from Germany. Once again, Tekton lifetime warranty, extremely easy to deal with. They'll get you a new tool sent out really quickly. They do have multiple different size sets and options available. This is just a 4-piece Phillips set that I saw on sale. I find myself not mentioning Tekton nearly as often anymore, just because a lot of the prices on stuff has gone up, and there just aren't that many tools on Amazon from Tekton that are being sold at a discounted price. Like their old 3-piece, not old, their 3-piece socket set, you get the 1/4-inch drive set, the 3/8 and the 1/2-inch, all individual sets. I think when they first released them, they were at $375, I believe, and then they went up to like $425 and $475. Now they're at $550, almost $200 increase over when they were, or $175 increase over when they were originally released. That is a huge bump in price. I understand inflation and things over the years, but I feel like what was once a fantastic deal isn't as great of a deal anymore. But anytime I do see Tekton tools on sale, if it's a product I own or I know to be a good tool, I like to mention it. And even though these aren't their USA made screwdrivers anymore, I still feel like they're a good driver option. But let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 5 stars, 2 ratings. Then the last item for the week is going to be the Craftsman ratchet wrench. This is a 20-piece set, 90-tooth design, so a 4-degree arc swing, SAE and metric. Now, I don't have experiences with these, and I questioned if I was going to mention these or not, because just like GearWrench, I don't like to suggest ratcheting wrenches online because I highly suggest getting your hands on them first because they have such a wide variety of quality when it comes to ratcheting wrenches. I don't know about the Craftsman stuff. I'm not a huge fan of Craftsman hand tools, but they do have some good stuff, especially if you can catch it on sale. This is a big sale. Typical price of $109 down to $63, so some huge savings here. The SAE is going to be 1/4 inch through 3/4 inch, and then the metric is 8 through 18. You got 6, it skips 7, you got 8, skips 9, you get 10, skips 11, you get 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I feel like that's kind of a weird offering, but I mean, at least you got 3/4 to cover 19. And it is a 90-tooth design. I mean, it doesn't seem too bad, but if you guys have this or experience with them, please let me know. I thought it was a really good deal, down to $63 from $110 for both metric and SAE, a 20-piece set of ratcheting wrenches, 90-tooth ratcheting wrenches. This has 4.8 stars, 471 ratings, but that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. If you guys have any input or experience with those items that we mentioned earlier as well, please let me know down in the comments. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed, smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.